Hi everybody, welcome back. Today it is time to unbag the October Facetory subscription. So Facetory is a monthly face mask subscription, which I absolutely love so much. Facetory does ship out of California, but their masks are curated to be more Korean beauty, Korean skincare type masks like that. So there are two subscriptions that you can get with Facetory each month. The first is the one I have here. This is called the Forever Fresh Kit. It's going to come to you with 4 masks. That's going to be $8.90 per month, and that does include shipping. The second option is called the Seven-Lux Kit. That's actually going to come to you in a box. You're going to receive 7 masks, plus usually some kind of little bonus items that they throw in there. And that one is going to run you $19.90 per month, and that also does include shipping. Now, I have a little bit of a running joke going on here, guys. I have been with Facetory for a while. I've been an affiliate for a while, and I have an affiliate code. However, I've never set up the business end of that affiliate code, so I don't earn a commission off of it. And I did get an email because they're changing up the whole way the affiliate code is going to work. I don't know if I want to take all the time to answer all the questions now that they're asking. So this will be kind of the last time I say this. I will not be receiving any commission, but you can use that code down there below. Will save you 20% off of your order. So as I do each month, I'm going to go over the masks that I got to use last month, and then we will unbag what we got this month. So here we go. So last month was kind of abysmal for my masking. I only got 2 of them done, but I will go ahead and let you guys know what I thought about them. The first one was the Deer Tea Tree, and this one had Cantonella, Astacea, Chamomile, and Witch Hazel. I don't know what that first thing is. I do know what the other 2 are. I did find this mask to be kind of really calming, really kind of helped. I did have like a little bit, I felt like I was a little puffy, a little bit inflammation going on in my face, and it really kind of helped break that down. And it was very hydrating. The mask fit very nicely. That's always important. And if you guys are ever curious on how the masks look on the face, I usually, 9 times out of 10, when I wear one of the masks, I will post it to Instagram so that you can see how it kind of fits on your face. The other one I got to use up was the one from No HJ. This is the Herbs Fit Sheet Mask in Lavender. This one was really nice and cooling and calming, but beware, it smelled a lot like lavender. Not necessarily my favorite scent on the planet. It wasn't so overpowering that I was that off-put by it, but like when I first opened it up and put it on, it was a little strong. It did really dissipate though as the mask wore on, and by the time it was done, I couldn't smell it at all anymore. Either A, it just kind of dissipated, or my nose got used to it. So that was everything I got to use up last month, so let's go ahead and open this month. So this month is a takeover from Ajadang, or Ajadang. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. They have had a takeover bag before. The last one was with Bustle, and so it was editor's picks. And this one looks like it was curated by Miss Ajadang, and that's her there. So it just talks on the back how she curated this. Her secret weapon to looking 20 at 30. Yeah, she can go somewhere. Anywho, not that bad. This month they also did include some stickers again. So there's one here that says Glow Up Sis. I don't really know who she is. I'll definitely have to go and find out. I guess maybe Glow Up Sis is kind of her trademark. So here is our card here, which is going to tell us all about the masks. It looks like Aja gives us a reason why she picked out these masks. These are a little long, so I'm only going to read like the first sentence to get us through. Right on the top, oh, it's another one from Facetory, and it's a 2-parter again. This is called the Glow Baby Glow Brightening and Soothing Mask. So Aja says she picks this one because she loves a 2-step sheet mask. It somehow makes sheet masking feel more luxurious. Next up here, oh, this is a 7 days masks. This one is a bamboo water. I had one of these not last month, but the month before from 7 days, and I loved it. Ariel's 7-day masks was the very first sheet mask I ever bought. Next one up here, oh my god, I'm loving this on here. Can we take a second and appreciate freaking packaging, and that I'm a sucker for it, and I don't care what was in here, I would probably buy this. This one is from Orbeau. I don't know if I'm going to have to look these guys up so I can figure out how to say these correctly, but this is the Orbu Nourishing Mask. It's called the Hold Me Tight Sheet Mask. I'm guessing this one's going to do some tightening. I love me a cheeky sheet mask package. Marie Antoinette is looking very well nourished. Pre-guillotine obvi. And last but not least, we've got one here coming from Bonnie Hill. They do tend to send a lot of Bonnie Hill masks, but you know what? I'm not mad at that because I've loved every mask I've gotten from Bonnie Hill. They make really, really good ones. This is another of the tea tree smoothing masks. So another tea tree mask again this month. I'm never mad at that because I actually do like tea tree masks. So it's all good for me. Listen, we can't always have flawless skin like Beyonce, but we sure can try. And so that's it. That is everything that was included in the Facetory Forever Fresh kit this month. I am, of course, as always, excited to give all of these a try. I'm going to try really hard to get them all used this time, guys, because I get mad at myself when I don't get them all used, because that means I missed out on using something. Not like I can't use it later, but let's be honest, it's probably not going to happen. If you are interested in receiving this exact same kit, you have till October 31st to order it, and you can get this one. Once again, I of course want to thank you as always for spending a little bit of your time with me today. I truly, truly do appreciate it. And as always, before you leave, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. You definitely don't want to miss out on any videos that I have coming up. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.